poor sleep may accelerate brain aging and increase dementia risk. Emerging research suggests that inadequate sleep doesn't just make you tired, it may actually age your brain faster. A new large-scale study using advanced brain imaging and machine learning has found that individuals with poor sleep habits tend to have brains that appear older than their chronological age, potentially increasing their risk of cognitive decline and dementia. If you like my content and want to listen more interesting science stories like this, then subscribe my channel. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and colleagues. The study, conducted by researchers at Karolinska Institutet in Sweden and published in eBioMedicine, provides some of the strongest evidence to date linking unhealthy sleep patterns with accelerated brain aging, and points to low-grade inflammation as a possible biological mechanism behind this effect. How the study was done. The researchers analyzed data from 27,500 middle-aged and older adults enrolled in the UK Biobank, a major health research database. Each participant underwent MRI scans to evaluate brain structure. Using machine learning algorithms, scientists estimated each person's biological brain age by analyzing over 1,000 MRI-based brain features. They then compared this biological brain age to each individual's actual chronological age. A larger gap between the two indicates that the brain is aging more rapidly than expected. Sleep quality was assessed through 5 self-reported factors. 1. Chronotype, morning versus evening preference. 2. Sleep duration. 3. Insomnia symptoms. 4. Snoring. 5. Daytime sleepiness. Based on these factors, participants were classified into healthy sleep, intermediate sleep, and poor sleep. Key findings. For each 1-point decrease in the sleep quality score, the gap between biological and chronological brain age widened by approximately 6 months. People with poor sleep had brains that appeared, on average, 1 year older than their actual age, explained Abigail Dove, lead researcher at Karolinska Institutet in Department of Neurobiology, Care Sciences and Society. Importantly, the study also measured systemic low-grade inflammation, which is known to play a role in aging and neurodegeneration. Inflammation accounted for just over 10% of the relationship between poor sleep and increased brain age, suggesting it may be one of several underlying mechanisms. Our findings provide evidence that poor sleep may contribute to accelerated brain aging and point to low-grade inflammation as one of the underlying mechanisms, Dove added. Since sleep is a modifiable behavior, improving sleep quality could be a practical way to help preserve brain health and possibly slow cognitive decline. Why sleep matters for the brain. Beyond inflammation, other biological processes may also explain the link. Brain waste clearance. During sleep, the brain activates its glyphatic system, which helps remove metabolic waste, including proteins implicated in dementia, such as beta amyloid. Disrupted sleep may impair this clearance. Cardiovascular health. Poor sleep can damage blood vessels and increase cardiovascular risk, which is closely tied to brain health and dementia risk. Important considerations. The researchers note that UK Biobank participants tend to be healthier than the general population, which may limit how broadly the findings can be applied. Additionally, sleep quality was self-reported, which can introduce bias. Nonetheless, the sample size and imaging techniques make this a robust study. The research was conducted in collaboration with scientists from the Swedish School of Sport and Health Sciences, Tianjin Medical University, and Sichuan University in China. It was supported by the Alzheimer's Foundation, the Dementia Foundation, the Swedish Research Council, and others. The authors reported no conflicts of interest. Medical perspective. From a clinical standpoint, these findings reinforce what many physicians emphasize: healthy sleep is a critical pillar of brain health, alongside exercise, a balanced diet, and vascular risk control. While this study does not prove that poor sleep causes dementia, it strengthens the evidence that chronic sleep problems can accelerate brain aging, potentially making the brain more vulnerable to neurodegenerative diseases later in life. Practical steps such as maintaining a regular sleep schedule, limiting caffeine and screen time before bed, addressing snoring or sleep apnea, and seeking help for chronic insomnia may not only improve daily functioning but also protect the brain over